may not quite look just like spring in Helena and Great Falls areas in central Montana, but it feels a little more like spring today. Temperatures getting up into the 50s in Helena. In fact, right now, closer to 60 degrees, about 57 in Helena, and over into Great Falls. Cloud cover still sticks around, but Great Falls just a bit cooler, about 52. The wind really not affecting much right now, but as we move into tomorrow, you'll see that these high wind watches and warnings already put into place for tomorrow's anticipated wind event, and the wind will really ramp up along the high line ahead of a cold front that'll be pushing into the state tomorrow morning into around noon tomorrow. As we take a look at the Pacific Northwest, look at the moisture moving into the Pacific Northwest right now. Really around the PNW, we're seeing the most, or the heaviest moisture rather, between Seattle and Portland there, with a little bit of yellow shade in there. But as we take a wider look here and zoom out across the country, look at this snowstorm up by Minneapolis, moving through Chicago towards Toronto. Even the northeast United States going to get some more snow there. But as far as south of Washington, we're going to see the Carolinas getting a bit of rainfall, quite a bit of strong storm activity moving through there, but not really severe storm activity going on right now. But as we take a look at our wind here in Montana, we'll see up along the high line. Keep your eyes up closer to Cut Bank. However, maybe even closer to Great Falls there as we move into tomorrow. This is about 8:30 tomorrow morning. As we move along further into the morning, wind will really ramp up, especially along the high line. See areas of purple scattered all throughout the state, even all the way down south close to the Livingston community there. So we move along here, take a look at these purple colors really ramping up there, 60 plus miles per hour in sustained wind activity. That's pretty strong wind right there. Keep in mind severe storms start to ramp up, and as far as severe wind rather ramps up once you get into the 70s. So as we move along through tomorrow, keep that in mind. And just another reminder here, another visual chart here. Winds, the main threat tomorrow, just a slight chance for some instability. The chance for lightning rises just a tad bit. As we move into tomorrow afternoon, we'll see some instability increasing. But as we take a look at your future track here, this is for this evening. We'll see the cloud cover stick around, but this moisture out of the Pacific Northwest will be moving in tomorrow ahead of that anticipated cold front that'll be pushing into the state. But before it gets up on the divide, it'll be mostly snow, just a little bit of rainfall once it crosses the divide, but it'll become pretty intermittent once it crosses the divide. Not much going to make it to Helena and Great Falls. Maybe a snow shower, maybe two, but not near as much as we saw last week. The wind, rather, will stay around through tomorrow into tomorrow evening. Maybe some rain showers once it gets over closer to Lewistown and the Billings community. But really, that wind's going to be the main threat, main story. Tomorrow evening, a few isolated snow showers up on the high line, closer to Cut Bank. More snow, though, however, moving into higher elevations. Higher elevations will see a decent amount of snow this week, rather. But as we move along into your Wednesday, you see the wind really still steadily pushing along, not nearly as strong as it'll be tomorrow, but still there nevertheless. Keep in mind that this wind, even though it might be pesky, it's helping to push their spring pattern closer and closer to permanently sticking around here in Montana. As we move along through Wednesday into your Thursday, wind sticks around, as does the cloud cover, and spotty snow shower activity up in higher elevations. The passes might become a little treacherous as we move into Thursday. Take a look at your moisture throughout next week quickly. See some moisture really move through your state here. And on next Thursday, this is next Thursday, not this Thursday, we really see another batch of rainfall, snow, sloppy mixture moving through. As we move along into your 7-day forecast, you notice that some form of moisture is present, and every day on your 7-day forecast, really a spring-like pattern in Helena and Great Falls.